Hello, and thank you for learning more about the liquorexam.com California Responsible Beverage Service training program. This California Responsible Beverage Service course is approved by the California Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control and covers the following topics: the social impact of alcohol, the impact of alcohol on the human body, state laws and regulations relating to alcoholic beverage control, intervention techniques to prevent the service or sale of alcoholic beverages to underage or intoxicated patrons, and development of management policies that support the prevention of service or sale of alcoholic beverages to underage or intoxicated patrons. Beginning July 1st, 2022, any alcohol server, on-sale licensees, and their managers must have a valid RBS certification from an ABC-approved RBS training provider and pass the online ABC-administered RBS exam within 60 calendar days from the effective date of the law, or, if newly hired, from the first date of employment. This is a 1 to 2 hour course completed 100% online and is developed to work on all devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers, and will work on both Windows and Macintosh platforms. This is also a self-paced training, meaning the system tracks your progress so you may log out and resume where you left off. This course also features full audio narration, relatable real-world role-playing scenarios, and end-of-section quizzes to help check your understanding of the materials presented. Prior to registering for this course, you will need to create an account on the California Responsible Beverage Service portal to obtain your server ID number. The server ID is a 9-digit number starting with 312, which will be provided to you by the ABC. To register your account with the ABC California Responsible Beverage Service portal, go to abcbiz.abc.ca.gov and click the Login Register button. Then click Register on the following screen. From there, enter your name and email address, and then create a username and set your password. Then click Register again. You will receive a confirmation message letting you know that your registration was successful. Next, check your email for the ABC Online Portal confirmation email sent from the ABC. This is where you will confirm your account by clicking the Confirm email link. Now that your account has been confirmed, you can start your server application by clicking the server box as shown here. Once you complete the application and pay the $3 fee, you will be issued your server ID number. To locate your server ID number, go to your main dashboard in the ABC portal. Your server ID number is a 9-digit number starting with 312. You may want to write down your server ID number prior to registering for the RBS training on Liquor Exam, as you will be prompted to provide your server ID prior to being issued your Liquor Exam Certificate of Completion. With your server ID number in hand, you may now register for the liquorexam.com California Responsible Beverage Service or RBS training on this page by clicking the Enroll Now button above. Once you complete this training, you'll have 3 attempts to pass the 25-question final exam with a passing score of 70% or better to receive your 3-year certification, which is presented as a PDF document. We will then report your training to the California Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control RBS system electronically. Now that you've completed the Liquor Exam RBS training and passed the final exam, you'll need to take the ABC-administered RBS exam. To do this, log back into your account on the RBS portal and scroll down to find the Take Exam button. The exam is open note and open book, and failing to pass on 3 attempts will require that you retake the Liquor Exam RBS course at no additional cost. It's important to mention that you have 30 days from the date you pass the Liquor Exam final exam to complete the RBS exam. Failing to pass the ABC-administered RBS exam within 30 days will require you to retake the Liquor Exam RBS course as well. After passing the ABC-administered RBS exam, you'll be certified to serve alcohol in the state of California. You may want to print your completion record or take a screenshot of your RBS profile to provide to your employer as proof of completion. To register for this course, simply click the Enroll Now button above. If you are an employer and have multiple employees that require training, you may click the Corporate Solutions button at the top of the page to learn more about receiving special bulk pricing. Again, thank you for choosing liquorexam.com, and please use the Contact Us link at the bottom of this page if you have any questions at all.